Hi, I'm Jim Zwack from the Davey Institute, North America's premier tree research laboratory. And today, we're talking trees. Mulch is one of the best finishing touches you can add to any tree or landscape bed. But mulch does so much more than providing a clean look and suppressing weeds. To provide more information, we'll be joined by one of our local experts, ISA certified arborist Lou Meyer. So Lou, where do we start?
Well, thanks for asking, Jim. One of the most important benefits that mulch can provide in our urban landscapes is to minimize competition between the turf and the trees for nutrients in the soil. Mulch can also help regulate soil temperature, retain soil moisture, protect trees from equipment damage, and over time, reduce compaction in the soil. But too much of a good thing can be bad. So it's important to know the correct amount of mulch to put down and how to do it. But luckily, there are easy steps to follow. First, choose your mulch wisely. We recommend organic mulch, such as bark, wood chips, or leaves, because it breaks down over time, adding nutrients to the soil. Colored mulch, whether it's black or brown or red, is fine, as long as the dye used is certified by the Mulch and Soil Council. Remember, dyed mulch colors may fade over time and need replaced more often. Once you have selected your mulch, spread it evenly around the perimeter of the tree. You want to add a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch. Ideally, your mulch ring extends to the drip line of the tree, but for mature trees with a large crown, this can be unreasonable. Remember, some mulch is better than no mulch. One common mistake that people make when mulching their trees is applying too much mulch, or what we call volcano mulching. Use nature as your guide. In the forest, you won't find any trees with debris piled up the trunk. You want to be able to see the root flare, or where the trunk meets the roots. So pull back that volcano mulching to expose the root flare. Otherwise, your tree might be susceptible to pests, diseases, fungus, or even trunk rot.
Thanks, Lou. Mulch is a great way to keep your trees healthy. If you need any mulch advice or any type of tree care guidance, remember, your local professional arborist is happy to help. As always, thanks for talking trees.